You still rolling? Work that NMITE will be doing for us will definitely put us in good stead for the future. I'm Beavan, I'm a maintenance manager at Heineken in Hereford, so I look after the maintenance of cider production and utilities and the operation of utilities. The kind of career pathways for an NMITE graduate at Heineken would be potentially a maintenance planner, or a maintenance development engineer, or actually a graduate trainee. In terms of the NMITE approach, the bit that I particularly like is around about the sprints. That gives a real world model for people working on actual problems, and especially as they come from industry probably in the first place. And also I quite like the model that it's a 9 to 5 kind of role, unlike a typical sort of university, so it's quite a big step and then you come into a working environment. So on a personal level, one is I'm a born and bred Herefordian, so it's great to see an organisation like NMITE here. On a professional level, it's very much about looking to see how we develop our engineers, our future. We always struggle trying to get good quality engineers, and the kind of work that NMITE will be doing for us will definitely put us in good stead for the future.